Okay, makes
Rajan,
sense.
Nicole, okay?
Yep.
That's great. That's great. That's great. This is the concept of conditional formatting. And if I see you, we can create some logics over there. Let me teach you some logics. You will really enjoy it. Logic is that, let's say, this is data. You can apply some rules over there. New rule means you can say that, let's say, if this value and remove the dollar sign is greater than, let's say, 50,000, give some different color as well, like this. Now you can see it will see all the values and it will give the different colors. We can manage it. I just put the 5,000. I was being applied to the 50,000. Now you can see no value is being highlighted, but in future, if the value will be changed, it will keep the blue color. If the value will be updated, it will give the new color for you. Okay.
Yep.
And here you can see data bars also being updated with our single value, like this. Okay, now let's jump into the new topic, that is table functions. Let's create some data. This is our data. Copy and paste into the new cell, new control and new file, paste it here. If you see, this is the data. And now my question is from Nicole. Nicole, you can see this data, but I want to sort it from highest to the lowest sales. How can I see that?
Highest to lowest.
Yes.
Let's see.
How you will do that?
Format? No. Oh my gosh. Conditioning formatting?
No. By using conditional formatting, I can give the colors, but I cannot
Yeah, you could do the
filter.
color.
I cannot sort it. I want to move the rows as per my logic. What is the logic that I want to move the rows? I want to sort my rows from in descending order.
Isn't there like a double click? You can double click on the column and it'll do it.
You can do in online websites, not here.
Let's see. Is there the number part that does, or no? The top.
Basically, I'm glad that you are thinking. Do you have any idea, Rajan?
Would you do the conditional formatting? Like highlight everything, go to conditional formatting?
But it will not move up our maximum value. I want to make my data in descending or ascending order.
Oh shit.
I mean, there's a way, like if you use like there's like a toolbar, I'm sure.
Toolbar, which one?
Number, no?
No. Basically, if you see in the home tab, there is an option called sort and filter.
Sort and filter.
I will simply click it, and there is an option called filter. Now you can see small arrow is appearing in front of me. If I click over there, there are a bunch of options. Initially, it can say that, okay, because my column contains in the column, we can see these are the numbers, and because these are the numbers, there are different options. Let's say you can sort it either by smallest to largest or largest to smallest. Let's say if I put largest to smallest, now you can see whole data set have been sorted from largest value to the smallest value, means smallest value in the bottom and largest value in the top. Whole row has been shifted. Likewise, you can go there and apply the smallest to largest. Now smallest value in the top, largest value in the bottom. And if you see here there is a text, you will see different options: sort A to Z or Z to A. Means for numbers you will get the different options, and for text you will get slightly different options, like largest to smallest. And you can see there A to Z. A to Z means alphabetically L will come first, then you can see that speaker means S will come last. Like we can do Z to A to Z. Here we can see the dates, oldest to newest, because this is the date. You can see the data is for 2004 first month, and then newest to oldest means data is for 2006. Means through this way we can sort our data, names A to Z or Z to A. But you can see that as I change, let's say I just sort my data through names, you can see the small arrow over there as well. But as I sort it by, let's say, sales, automatically my old filtering or sorting has been disturbed. For that purpose, what will I do? I need multiple sorting. How can I do that? If you go there, there is an option called custom sort. In the custom sort, I will say that, okay, please sort my data in terms of names from A to Z. Then sort my data in terms of products A to Z. Then sort my data in terms of sales, largest to smallest. Now you can see how symmetry my data will get. Initially, all these are Ali. In the Ali, it will be sorted alphabetically by products: laptops, then printers, then projectors, then scanners. Likewise, then it will be sorted by the sales, maximum, lower, maximum, etc. Means
Okay.
if the laptops data will be sorted, then for the printer, the new list will come for me. Through this way, we can arrange our data in a highly efficient manner. And this is the best way to present your report to someone else, so that he or she may read whole report easily. That's why we use sorting. And you people were telling me that you can apply some conditional formatting. Yes, I can do that. Let's say if I say that select the data, and I say, okay, highlight all the cells that are greater than 250. Fair enough, 250. And give the yellow color. That's fine. Now let's say if I change my sorting, or if I change my sorting A to Z. You now, if you want, because you have applied some conditional formatting over there, you can go there and you can sort by color as well. Now you can see all the data that is greater than 250 have been sorted. You can see that all the values that are greater than 250, because it is now it is being sorted by color. You can see the different colors over there. Got my point, Nicole? Regin?
Yep.
Fine. That's great. There is another option. Now my question is from both of you that, let's say if I, this is the whole data. If you see there, you can see the unique names. Means if you data, let's say you can see that your data contains 1900 entries. Now if someone say to you, how many salesmen we have, you don't need to go there again and again. You can simply go there and it will show you the unique names. Means we have 3, 3, 6, 8 salesperson over there. Likewise, if I ask you, just let me know how many products we are selling, just go there and you can see that we are selling these 5 products. Likewise, if I ask you gender, definitely it should be 2. You can see that means there is an error 2. Then I can remove this error over there. You can see that gender, female, male, why there is 2. Then I will go there, select my data, F5, select all the cells that contains numbers, and I will remove my error. This one is error. I can replace it with male, let's say. Now my data has been sorted. you can see this from there as well. Male, female, now data is fine. Okay, got my point? Here, even though you can see in the dates as well, your whole data has been segregated into 3 different years. I can easily see my data, that my data is for 3 different years, and in these years, 2006 we have data for all months, 2005 we have data for all months, 2004 we have data for all months. We can see that is. Got my point? How we can sort it? Nicole,
Yes.
Radiant, any question?
No, I don't have any questions.
Is it easy?
Yeah, this part's easy.
Yes, it's very easy. Now, my question is from both of you. Let's say I want to get data for only printer because I want to share, let's say the printer data to someone, or let's say I want to share only Ali data to Ali so that we may get his performance only. How will I do that?
You said only get printers for Ollie.
Yes, I want to filter data, let's say only data for printers by Ali. How can I do that? My task is that please email me Ali data for printers only. How will I do that?
What you can do is you do sort it by name and product. So you could go into
Sorted
the
by
name.
name.
You could go into the
Very
names.
good. Go there, custom sort, sorted by name first. Sorry, I'm not in my data. Now I'm here. Go there, custom sort, sorted by name. Where there is a name. Yes, name, cell values A to Z, then add level, products A to Z, or let's say Z to A. That's it. Okay. Now I get Ali speakers. I have to find the printer. How will I do that? It will be difficult for me because my heading's over there. Now.
So you could go on, click on products, and then only select printers. So
Very good. This is the way. This is called filter options. Very good. I was just moving you in this way. Deselect all other options, and then
just
here only select. Very good. This is called the filter option. Now you can see by simple using few clicks, my dataset has been reduced up to 54 entries. Now I can copy and paste my data to anyone else. Copy and paste to anyone else over there. Let's say paste as values. Now you can see the data is for only for Ali. You will get your desired answer. Okay.
Yep.
Now if I ask you to let's say now my question is from Nicole. Nicole, I want to get data for Imran for printers.
I'm sorry, you cut out. What did you say?
I want to get data for Imran for printer.
Okay. So you would do the same thing. You would filter by the name, put Imran.
Okay, filter by the name first, Imran.
And then product
the
printer.
Very good. This is my data. You can simply copy it and paste and send to someone else. Wow. You can see that by simple pasting, the formatting was also being pasted. But if I go to the paste as values, this is the fresh data I can send.
Okay, yeah, that's what I was wondering.
No formatting, no, and this sounds great as well. Now, my question is from both of you. I want to filter my data and send, let's say let me write it the task. Please email me the Ali data for printers only where units are greater than, let's say 50. How you will filter it now?
You would just change units to, you would use custom, I think.